Nike is setting the stage for a strong 2026 by refreshing the Pegasus Premium line as 2025 comes to a close. One of the latest updates introduces a sleek off-noir black iron gray and metallic dark gray colorway that stays true to the model's stealthy DNA while adding a unique visual twist. What makes this release stand out is the use of Realtree Edge Camo on the upper, a design detail also seen on recent Vomero Premium and Pegasus 41 releases. The camo pattern brings a snowy woodland-inspired look, giving the shoe a bold yet functional aesthetic. Beyond looks, the Pegasus Premium continues to focus on performance. It features a powerful combination of ZoomX foam, ReactX cushioning, and Zoom Air, designed to deliver comfort, responsiveness, and energy return for runners. The Nike Pegasus Premium Realtree Camo is expected to release globally through Nike by April 2026, with an estimated retail price of around $220. This release blends performance innovation with modern style, making it one to watch.